Okay, Sorin, hi guys, how are you? I'm good. With this tutorial video, I want you to understand Vlookup. So we are using Vlookup. So what is Vlookup? Vlookup is when you are copying information from one cell to another. For example, there is information here. This is our name. So these names are this one. Now, the distinction here is that these names, this one, are not in order like these ones, or these ones are in order but these ones are not in order, something like that. They are not following each other like this one. So you might find out that you are working with a data with so many names that there are 1,000 names or so many names. So Vlookup, it will be a tool that you can use to copy this information from here to here, and it matches. For example, here Bongani has 800 rand. So since Bongani has 800 rand, so it means that when you copy this information from here to here, 800 rand will go to number 1, and then Simone is number 3 here, and 450 will go to number 2. So you cannot just simply copy this column and paste it here, because now the names are not in the same order. These names and these names are not in the same order. So in order for you to copy, you will use Vlookup. So to use Vlookup, this is a formula. So you will say equals to, and then you select the first, the behind here. Sorry for that. You will start by saying Vlookup equals to Vlookup, and then there we go. There is a Vlookup. After you've selected Vlookup, and you will then select this one to say that you want to match this thing, and then you press semicolon depending to your computer. Some computers are using commas, and then after doing that, you will then highlight this table, okay, all of it, and then after highlighting this table, you put again semicolon. After putting the semicolon, because now you want to copy January budget, you will then select 2, and then after selecting 2, you put another semicolon, and then you say exactly match. A reason for you to say exactly match is that these numbers, they are exactly, we'll do another video, not exactly match. After you have selected exactly match, you will then select enter. You press enter in your keyboard, and then after you've pressed enter in your keyboard, you see Bongani is matched with 800 with Bongani, and then you autofill. Okay, after you selected exactly match here, after you've selected exactly match here, you come to here, you press F4 to lock the cell. You also come back to here, you press F4 to lock the cell, and then you press enter. And then after you have pressed enter, you then autofill, and then after you have autofill, you see now Simon is 450, Simon is 450, Wanga is 100 rand, Wanga is 100 rand. Yeah, Vlookup is for that reason. So we'll also do February budget. So here it's the wrong spelling for budget. We'll also do the February budget using Vlookup. So the difference here for February budget is little small. So you will say equals to, and then you want from here, you type Vlookup first, and then after typing Vlookup, you will then click here, and then after clicking here, you put semicolon, and then after putting semicolon, you select the table where you want these values from, and then you put another semicolon depending on your computer. Now, because February budget is this one, you will now select number 3, it's column number 3, and then after column number 3, you put this one, and then you say exactly match, because the numbers you want them for exactly match. We'll do another video where we don't do exactly match, and then you autofill. I hope it makes sense. I forgot to lock cells. Okay guys, if you did not lock cell, it will appear like this. I forgot to lock cell. Let me go back to the formula, and then when I'm back there, I lock cells. You select here, you press F4, you also select here, you press F4, and then you say enter, and then you autofill. So you can see here on table ho it's 1000, here table ho it's 1000. Thank you. I hope this video makes sense. It's VLOOKUP, and then with horizontal lookup I will post another 3 videos. This is what we're supposed to do Monday, so we'll do it on practical based on these videos.